Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. If you're running a business or freelancing, you know that choosing the right accounting software can make a huge difference. QuickBooks has been the go-to for years, but FreshBooks is making waves as a simpler and more user-friendly alternative. So is FreshBooks actually better than QuickBooks? Stick around as I break it all down in this video. So let's start with the key features here of FreshBooks. It is designed for small businesses and freelancers, offering invoicing, expenses tracking, time tracking, and project management, all in a clean and easy to use interface. One of its standout features is its invoicing system, which lets you create professional invoices in seconds and even accept payments directly through the platform. FreshBooks also has a solid automation, like recurring invoices and late payments reminders, which can save you a ton of time. On the other hand, QuickBooks is a more comprehensive solution, covering everything from bookkeeping and payroll to tax preparation. It's great for larger businesses that need advanced accounting features like inventory management and complex financial reporting. However, because of its depth, it has a steeper learning curve compared to FreshBooks. Now let's talk about pricing. FreshBooks has many plans. If we go to pricing and check them pretty quickly, you have the light plan starting at $6.30 here, all the way up to the more expensive plan, such as the Select, which lets you talk to them in order to customize it to your business size. Now here, QuickBooks start at $30 per month for the simple start plan, so it's more expensive. FreshBooks here is more affordable. However, if you need features like payroll or advanced reporting, it can get expensive quickly. Here is definitely the better option with FreshBooks. So for pricing, FreshBooks is the more budget-friendly option for freelancers and small teams. So now what are the pros and cons? FreshBooks is incredibly easy to use, perfect for freelancers and small businesses, and has excellent invoicing and automation features. However, it lacks some of the advanced accounting functions that QuickBooks offers, like inventory tracking and full payroll support. Also, while QuickBooks is widely used and powerful tool, it can be overwhelming for beginners and comes at a higher cost. So, in the end, which one should you choose? If you're a freelancer or run a small service-based business and need a simple yet effective accounting tool, FreshBooks is a fantastic choice. However, if you are managing a larger operation with employees, inventory, and complex accounting needs, QuickBooks might be the better fit in this case.